Hi everyone, this is Rozani. It's Mardi Gras time and I'm wrapping up this jester project. This is a Papier Mâché Jester Head, part 2, and we're working with different papers to add color, and we're using liquid starch, as I do for all of my Papier Mâché projects. So I hope you'll enjoy this. Let's get started. Here we have two sides of a face. One side, I've added the flesh tone copier paper to show you how we're beginning to use color without paint. You will see that I'm adding color on the hood, and I'm blocking off where I'm going to put the other colors. There will be 3 colors of Mardi Gras: purple, green, and gold. So here I am continuing to fill in with the paper napkin, just fattening up those little horned pieces. And after all, Mardi Gras is on Fat Tuesday. So I'm just having fun and listening to this jazzy, crazy music. I hope you're enjoying this. It's just a silly time. Coming up next, we'll be adding 2 more colors. So keep watching. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. And do subscribe. Don't forget to let it dry in between segments. You can always come back to it. This is fun, but it's a long process. So I hope you'll bear with me through the end of this video, and I hope you're having a good time. You can always go back and add to it. If you need to keep building it up, just go in with a little bit of paper napkin and some liquid starch and fill it in. Now I have added most of the details, but finishing it is totally up to you. And there you have it. Here's my finished little jester head. I want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers. Have a happy Mardi Gras. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.